birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanam. Happy birthday to you. Many, 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 many happy returns of the day, Sanam. Wish you all the love, all the success. ऐसे ही हमेशा खुश रहो, गाते रहो, अच्छा म्यूजिक बनाते रहो, and hope to see you soon. And yeah, enjoy your day and just be the way you are. जैसे हो हमेशा वैसे ही रहना. और have a great year ahead. Loads and loads and loads of love to you and all my best wishes for you.
Wish you a many, many, many happy returns of the day, Sanam. Hope you have a super amazing day ahead with your loved ones who are close to you right now and the loved ones who are far away from you. And the quality I really admire about you is the way you are. Like, you're just being you, the childish you, the mature you, like a perfect balance of everything. When we need the childish, the goofy you are there, and when we long for the mature you, the mature side of you who gives life lesson to us, like a proper inspiration. You are the person who is always there. So thank you for being that person, and hope you have an amazing day ahead once again with everyone, and maybe it includes us as well. If yes.
Sanam, a very, very, very happy birthday to you. I wish you a year with lots of love, luck, laughter, and everything that you wish for. May all your dreams come true, and I wish that you keep stealing our hearts through your soulful voice. And something that we really, really miss about you is your Sanamisms, and we hope to hear them more often. Sending you lots of love, and I just wish that you stay being the crazy and the cute one, stay being the naughty kid as you are. Lots of love. Many, many happy returns of the day to you once again.
Happy birthday, Sonam. Many, many happy returns of the day. Wish you lots and lots of happiness and joy. Take care. Lots of love from Bangladesh. And come to Bangladesh soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanam. Happy birthday to you.
The reason why I love you is because you got this in my life. You're the brightest light in my life who made me realize what true love is and how to shower unconditional love. Thank you so much for everything, and I love you. And my message for you is be the same and don't let anyone hinder your happiness, and have a very great life. And thank you for always being there for me in this way. I always feel that you're around me whenever I see you there. Thank you so much for everything. Really grateful for having you in my life.
Hello, Mr. Vocalist. Wishing you a very happy Wala birthday. Stay happy and healthy. Say happy birthday. You know why I adore you this much? Because you have a beautiful heart and your smile is so precious. So never let it fade away. And happy birthday once again. Keep rocking. Love you.
It's raining. Happy birthday, Sanam. I hope you are having an amazing day and checking out all the videos and edits and messages and everything with a smile on your face, and keep smiling like that. We love making you smile, and we hope you are having a wonderful day with your loved ones and all your friends around or not, but have been enjoying your day. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanam. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Sanam. Sanam, you are amazing. Your voice is mesmerizing. Sanam, you are just not a good singer but a good human being also. So, Sanam, always be like this as you are. Stay blessed always. Lots of love. Happy birthday again.